Now let's say you're a Korean pop star and you have a new song and dance that's taking the world by storm. It's important for everyone to know that you didn't build that. Someone helped you build it. And today I'm going to show you
Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style.
Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Mitt Romney style. Romney style. I got a horse in the Olympics, girl, but I don't even watch him. In and out of tax loopholes, cause I'm so fucking awesome. Bitch, it's Friday night, you know we benefit hoppin'. Check my conspic, you, us consumption. I got distinguished hair and a private jet that flies me way up in the air. Buy and sell your company with so much savoir-faire. I bought a mansion for each one of my 24 heirs. Straight up millionaire. Affluence, extravagance, that's Mitt's. Hey, yeah, that's so Mitt's. Hey, profits, investments, that's Mitt's. Hey, yeah, that's so Mitt's. Hey, you should've liked me cause I got so much money. Mitt Romney style. Romney style. Mitt Romney style. Romney style. Mitt Romney style. Hey, wealthy ladies. Mitt Romney style. Hey, wealthy ladies. Mitt
Style.
Hey, hope and changing.
Obama Style.
He's loved by everyone from George Clooney to Oprah, but you might not like him if you've gone through a foreclosure. Now to win over 51% of voters, he'll need more than an awesome poster. If we put Romney there, he could bail us out himself cause he is a billionaire. He is a Mormon rocking out in magic underwear. Don't need to see your birth certificate,
I was born here.
just your tax returns. Obama, Biden, or Romney, Ryan, I don't know, hey. I just don't know, hey. Black and charming, or white and corny, I don't know, hey. I just don't know, hey. But I do know who would win in basketball.
Obama Style. Obama Style. Obama Style. Obama Style. Obama Style.
Hey, hope and changing.
Obama Style.
Hey, hope and changing.
Obama got a job and Romney want a job, but he and she and he, man, they need a job. So we got a job to vote who gets the job, but most of us will stay at home with our computers
Yo,
on.
are you insane?
Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Style. Sexy lady. Oppa Gangnam Style. Sexy lady.
성숙해 보이지만 놀 때 노는 여자, 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자, 가렸지만 웬만한 옷을 받아야 한 여자, 그런 감각 아름다워 사랑스러워
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 섹시 레이디
Be는 놈, 그 위에 나는 놈 Baby baby 나는 뭘 좀 아는 놈 뛰는 놈, 그 위에 나는 놈 Baby baby 나는 뭘 좀 아는 놈 You know what I'm saying
오빤 강남스타일